Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here again with this new video. In this video I'm going to teach you some sentences with Urdu translation. Without wasting your time, let's get started. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. आपको टूकने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. What do you want? What do you want? तुम क्या चाहते हो? Tell me your address. Tell me your address. मुझे अपना पता बताओ. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. It's strange. It's strange. अजीब बात है. How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? मैं शहर कैसे जा सकता हूँ? Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझ पर एक एहसान करो. I like you. I like you. मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूँ. Is everything all right? Is everything all right? क्या सब ठीक है? What do you think? What do you think? तुम क्या सोचते हो? Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. आवाज बढ़ा दो. What have you succeeded in? What have you succeeded in? आप किस में कामयाब हुए? Not the least. Not the least. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Your name is on the list. Your name is on the list. तुम्हारा नाम लिस्ट पर है. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. अच्छा दिन है. May I go to the toilet? May I go to the toilet? क्या मैं टॉयलेट जा सकता हूँ? I haven't done my homework. I haven't done my homework. मैंने अपना होमवर्क मुकम्मल नहीं किया है. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. देर के लिए माजरत चाहता हूँ. Please clean the house. Please clean the house. Please घर को साफ करें. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. मेरे पास बात करने को बहुत कुछ है. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. ये मुझ पर छोड़ दो. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. आज सख्त गर्मी है. Who is there on the roof? Who is there on the roof? छत पर कौन है? Is it hailing? Is it hailing? रहे हैं. It was fine yesterday. It was fine yesterday. कल मौसम सुहाना था. How many candidates were there in the hall? How many candidates were there in the hall? हाल में कितने उम्मीदवार थे? It is a white lie. It is a white lie. ये सफेद झूठ है. There was no tree along the road. There was no tree along the road. सड़क के किनारे कोई दरख्त न था. He is not an unlucky man. He is not an unlucky man. वो एक बदकिस्मत आदमी नहीं था. They were my intimate friends. They were my intimate friends. वो मेरे गहरे दोस्त थे. These children were not dirty. These children were not dirty. ये बच्चे गंदे नहीं थे. If you are happy, then I am happy too. If you are happy, then I am happy too. अगर तुम खुश हो तो मैं भी खुश हो. I have this much sense. I have this much sense. इतनी समझ तो मुझे है. She doesn't allow a fly to sit on her nose. She doesn't allow a fly to sit on her nose. ओह तो अपने नाक पर मक्खी नहीं बैठने देती. Life is interested to death. Life is interested to death. जिंदगी मौत की अमानत है. We will have to do something. We will have to do something. हमें कुछ न कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I am not a burden to anyone. I am not a burden to anyone. मैं किसी पर कोई बोझ नहीं हो. Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? तुम मुझ पर क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? It is not my problem. It is not my problem. ये मेरा मसला नहीं है. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. मेरे बारे में फिक्र न करे. Stay at home. Stay at home. घर पर ठहरो. Wait and see. Wait and see. इंतजार करो और देखो. I don't fear. I don't fear. मुझे डर नहीं लगता. Come here. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Don't create problem. Don't create problem. मसला खड़ा न करो. I have no fear. I have no fear. मुझे कोई खौफ नहीं है. What is the problem? What is the problem? क्या मसला है? It is your problem. It is your problem. ये तुम्हारा मसला है. This is enough for today, alright? If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay well and keep learning with us. Thanks for watching.